Hey guys, going to share with you a very quick and easy making tandoori chicken biryani recipe. Ingredients: few cloves of garlic, half-inch piece of ginger and a medium size of onion. We will add some tomato paste. Let's start. In a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, any cooking oil will work, and a tablespoon of ghee. Once ghee is melted, we will add a bay leaf and then chopped onion. Now we will add bay leaf and then chopped onion. Once the onion we are adding, after that we will put a pinch of salt and then we will lid it up and cook it for 5 minutes. This process will help the onion to get moist and soft. We will add a pinch of cinnamon powder here for nice aroma. Just a pinch. Now salt, and then we will lid it up and cook it for 5 minutes. When it will be little golden brown, we will add tomato paste. If you don't have tomato paste, you can add a medium sized tomato chopped. Now here we will add tablespoon of tomato paste, ginger garlic paste, and we will mix it up. Adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 tablespoon of chili powder. I am using here Kashmiri chili powder. If you don't have, you can use normal chili powder as well. Now we are adding 1 tablespoon of Biryani Masala. We will add little water so that masala will not get burned and cook for a little bit. Once the oil is separating from the masala, we will add 100 gram of plain yogurt. Mix it up and then we will add here few drops of Kewra water, but before that some piece of chili and half tablespoon of rose water as well. Masala is ready. Now we will add chicken. Cook it for 2-3 minutes. Add little bit salt, depends on your taste. Add the rice. This is the basmati rice, so I cooked and kept it for half an hour. I'm spreading some biryani masala top of this. This will give a nice aroma. And here after this I will add fried onion and then a tablespoon of ghee. If you want to add cashew nut and besan, that also will work. You can fry it with the onion and you can add. Our biryani is ready. If you like the video, please share it and like it.